2025. Say Drake. 2025. Some people whistle. Some people
Welcome to another video. Today we are in Nagayo and we are having another travel video today. So stay tuned for all the great content that's about to come. I can't even talk. It is snowing. It's like literally snowing and the African in me is not used to this. It's my second time seeing snow my whole life. So yeah. Come along with me on this little adventure. We are having our first family vacation this year. What? We're having our first family vacation this year. So yeah, stay tuned. And for those of you who are new, my name is Tiffany. I'm South African, married to an American, currently living in Japan, and I'm a twin mom. And I bring nothing but lifestyle and travel content. And these are my babies.
That snow on you gonna turn wet.
Mm-hmm. Guys, we're on a hunt for food. The restaurant we went to ran out of food and we really wanted to try it. So we found a little mom and pop shop. Let's try that. I'm hungry and most of the places close around 6 p.m. So hopefully they can serve us in here. Go, 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 go. Let's see. Push. Oh, we have space.
Like Dragon Ball Z.
Yeah, like Dragon Ball Z, Demon Slayer.
Dragon Ball Z. Gingerbread.
You gonna try?
Greedy. Busy greedy.
Look at all the food. Oh my gosh.
いいですか？一応鳥サラダ。2人分です。はいどうぞ。
It's okay, put it. Okay, well.
I didn't think that was that much.
It's good. It tastes like
Let's pray for the food, babe. The street lights came on, guys. Thank you.
Eat your basket, guys.
Nani, a basket.
Eat your basket.
Farts and farts. What's that? Shower cap? No.
Your shower shoes.
Thank you.
Towels.
Take two.
Yeah, you get the.
So this is our hot tub, guys. This is where you shower. This is the hot tub. And then we have an outside onsen. cold out here. That's our little outside onsen. I think I'll come during the day again to show you guys what this is like. It's really, really hot in there, I'm not gonna lie. And that's all the snow and its gloriousness. Hey! Look at those cheeks. You need some more. Look at your cheeks. You getting that hot? Let's go. There's your shoes.
I'm gonna get my Snickers.
Guys, they stocked the whole fridge full of ice cream.
This-
Choose one only.
Okay.
Hi. Only one. One. Yeah, that's enough. Close.
Okay. I would do.
One. You don't have to choose the same one as me. Good morning, guys. Today is the first day we go skiing. Look at me with my no lashes on. Oh, skiing! Cheers. We're going skiing today, guys. Good morning from the Bell family. Today is our first day on the mountain. I hope you guys enjoy this video and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the top of the mountain when we get there. We have a lot of stuff in our hands, a lot of stuff to carry, so say morning. We have a lot of stuff to carry, so I wouldn't be able to pick up my phone as often. We're gonna take the bus. The bus is about 500 yen, which is like $300 to take us to the peak of the mountain. And then we have a skiing class for the girls and a skateboarding class for the boys. And then we're just gonna be on the mountain all day and hang out there. So yeah, see you guys at the top. Daddy's getting our stuff.
Like that.
I just fell flat on my face. Oh my gosh.
Me too. I fell on my face. And I get back.
That's Daddy. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Get out the way.
Come on, Daddy. Come on, Daddy. Go, Daddy. Go. Go, Daddy. So we have to go back up. Oh my God. It's fun, but I tell you, it's not nice falling. Let me put this on. The falling part of this is not fun at all. Kailani, come here. Daddy's coming down. Where's the menu? Guys, it's time for lunch break. We are at the food court. It's food trucks. There's 1, 2, 3 food trucks over here. They got steak, sprouts, soups, fish and chips, fries and chips, whatever you want, burgers. And they have a little seating area over there. So yeah, let's have some lunch. My face hurts from all the falling, and apparently I'm still gonna be doing this for another 2 hours. So you the child out of the house. We got this for free from the guy we bought food from.
I do. I knew you were talking about.
Body straight. Turn. Good job. Good job. Up. Hey guys, so we are done snowboarding and skiing. The babies are over there. Thing 1 and thing 2. We had dinner from 7-Eleven. We had cup of soup and soba, and now I'm having wine from the wine bar. It is free, so of course I'm gonna have some wine. My legs hurt. I've been falling so much. I've never felt this much in my life. Like, there was a point where I fell and my face like dig a hole in the snow, and when I came up, it was just snow. It was just snow. And this is why I look like this. I look homeless. I can't wait to get home and do something with my life, because I thought I could live in the snow, but I can't. It turns out I cannot. It's okay. And I'm just exhausted. What else did we say? So the ski resort is like $200, guys. To just go on the trolley. We spent like $200 for the 4 of us. That's a lot. The rental for the gear was around $280, right? $280.
About to say around 2.
Yeah. So you're gonna spend about $1,000 for 3 days, even more, because you have to calculate food and all that. Luckily for us, like when we very overly active, we don't eat a lot. We literally went to 7-Eleven and called it, because we had such a big dinner last night. We really don't care for anything else. And good thing that our kids, too, I think they're not hungry. Well, they ate spaghetti and they didn't ask for anything else. Tomorrow is day 3. Nagano. Is it Nagano or Nagayo?
Nagano. I don't know. Nagano? Nagano?
Nagano. American Nagayo in Afrikaans. Yeah, it was nice. Besides me falling flat on my face every time. Me and Kilani did skiing, and the guys did snowboarding. And I honestly feel like people lie. Everyone was like, yeah, you should ski. It's easier to ski. No, it's not. It's a scam. Do not ski. Go snowboarding, especially if you have strong legs. Like, I have strong legs and I am thick. So everyone that was skiing was like this. They were this skinny. And I broke a nail. So please, rather go snowboarding than skiing, because skiing is not for beginners. I don't believe that it is for beginners. That's what they say, but it's not true. And yeah, we went to the onsen again. How did you like the onsen?
It was nice.
Perfect.
I'm gonna go there all the time now.
I've been bribing him like, let's go to the onsen for 3 years, 4 years. We've been in Japan for 4 years, and he says no every time. So yeah, I thought my car got stuck, guys. The car got stuck in the snow. Good morning, everyone. Day 3 in Nagayo on our ski vacation. Man, my butt hurts. I feel like all the hurt from yesterday is only coming in now. That's my husband. He was packing the bags and helping me put my shoes on. I honestly think I have a golden retriever husband, because when he's around, I don't lift a finger. He does everything. So yeah, definitely blessed. But anyway, what are we doing today? Look at him. Fine boy.
Hey, how you doing? Look
See
good
how-
in the
I know, look at my eyes. I just need my braids. Anyway, today's day 3. We're gonna see the snow monkeys, and I'll check out at the resort is at 10 a.m. It's 9, no, it's 8:30 right now. We're having coffee at the coffee stand. Everyone's getting their morning coffee. I'm thinking of either going to the onsen before we go to see the snow monkeys, or just going and then go to the onsen back home once we get home. We'll see how that goes. But yes, day 3. Guys, we've seen the snow monkeys. Experience is a 5 out of 10 for me, honestly. Not what I thought, but yeah. We're gonna take this 50-minute hike back. It took us 50 minutes to just get here, and now we have to walk 50 minutes back to the car. Can you imagine? But I'm so happy I seen the snow monkeys. Yay!
Okay, one milk for takeaway.
Yeah, take it.
I already started eating this ice cream. Little monkey.
He's so cute. Look like a baby.